Good morning and welcome to Build 2019. It's fantastic to see you all in Seattle. You know, Build has always had a very special meaning for me. I remember very distinctly being in the audience in 1991 at our very first developer conference, and that's when I decided to join Microsoft. And ever since, I've marked the passage of time and life in tech paradigms, and so it's great to be back here at Build and talking about technology. Now, one service I wanted to showcase today is the Azure Speech Service. Not only is the speech service getting better and better when it comes to speech recognition. In fact, what you'll see in this demo is even for commodity hardware to replace any complex microarray setup so that your speech recognition is world-class. So imagine a transcript that gets created that has the ability to understand the local jargon that's specific to your organization, your industry, that way making the transcript that much more useful. So let's throw it to our team out on the gallery to show you speech translation and transcription.
Today, my colleagues and I are going to give you a demo of new research that we believe will make meeting transcriptions more easily available to everyone in the future.
We are going to show you this demo using just the microphones built into this laptop and these two smartphones we have in front of us. With these, we create a microphone array in the cloud that enables Azure Speech Services to provide accurate, in-person meeting transcription, even without a special meeting device.
Also, you will notice that I didn't bring my phone. But the service can still recognize my voice and correctly identify me, because I've given it permission to use my voice print to transcribe what I say. Now, the second thing we're going to show you is that the language model of Azure Speech Service can be trained on the data in your company's Microsoft 365 tenant, so it can learn the unique vocabulary of your industry or company. This is available in private preview.
Today, most of these assistants are command systems where you have to invoke these skills one at a time. What if we can imagine a future where you can cross domains without having to invoke each skill by name? So what is a true multi-domain assistant? We need a multi-agent world. The idea that you're always going to start with one wake word and one assistant is just not like how we start on the web, for example. Just imagine, what is an open assistant future look like? Similar to an open web. That's what we want to really ensure happens when it comes to the personal assistant.
What do I have today?
Here's what your day looks like. Today you have take a walk outside at 8 a.m., your one-on-one with Anjali at 10 a.m., lunch with Tom at noon, and your app kickoff at 3 p.m.
Go ahead and reschedule my walk to tomorrow at the same time.
Sure. I can move take a walk outside to tomorrow at 8 a.m. Is that right?
Yeah, that sounds great.
Okay, I've moved it to tomorrow.
And schedule a cram session with Nicholas and his manager from 9 to 1:30 today. And we're gonna need a room in Bellevue.
Oh, okay. I'll invite Nicholas Cohn and Michelle Estes to the cram session, and I'll put your meeting in City Center 2605. Does that look good to you?
Yeah. And push back my one-on-one with Anjali to tomorrow.
All right, I've booked your meeting. And here are a couple of options to meet with Anjali Bhatt tomorrow.
Is there anything later in the day?
Let's see. How about this one?
Yeah, that'll work. And is she invited to the app kickoff this afternoon?
No, she's not on the invite.
No, please send it to her.
Okay, I've forwarded the app kickoff to Anjali Bhatt.
Great. Oh, right. After my last meeting today, schedule 30 minutes to pick up the birthday cake.
Sure. Pick up the birthday cake at 4 p.m. Is that right?
Yep. And remind me, where is my lunch meeting today?
Lunch with Tom is at Liberty Cafe.
What's the weather going to be like?
It'll be mostly sunny and 71 degrees at Liberty Cafe at noon today.
Can we eat outside there?
Yes. Liberty Cafe has outdoor seating.
And can you send directions to my car?
Connecting to car skill. Sure, directions to Liberty Cafe have been sent to your car.
When's our next review with Cyrus?
Your next quarterly review with Cyrus Nafani is Tuesday, June 11th at 10 a.m.
Schedule a 2-hour dry run with Benjamin McIntosh the Friday before that.
All right. Does this work for you?
Yep, that looks great.
I've scheduled your dry run with Benjamin.
Thank you.
Happy to help.
I'm excited to show you, our fellow developers, how we at Spatial have been able to enrich our existing holographic collaboration app with HoloLens 2, Azure Spatial Anchors, the Microsoft Graph, and Teams. We're going to show you how our customer Mattel ideates, designs, and collaborates across global borders on multiple brands that we all know and love, like Hot Wheels, Barbie, and Fisher-Price. Let's take a look. So I'm going to jump onto my PC here, and I'm already in a Teams channel. And I can see Amanda's posted some cool new content, but why don't we upgrade this to a live spatial meeting to get everyone on the same page? I'm actually just gonna click over to the spatial tab in Teams, and I get this really cool 3D dollhouse view. I'm gonna click into the room where I can see everybody, but since I have a HoloLens 2 here, why don't I take this off a 2D screen into a 3D meeting? All I have to do is scan the QR code in the corner. I'm gonna put on the device. And scan the code. Here we go. Oops. Hey, Amanda, what's up? It looks like you're already in here.
Yep, I'm here in my office also wearing a HoloLens 2. So you'll see me in the room show up as an avatar. And all of our content that you just saw from that Teams channel is already up here on the wall. You can even see some of the comments thanks to the Microsoft Graph API.
Cool.
And with the new finger hand tracking in HoloLens 2, it's so easy to quickly triage content. So I can quickly just grab a document off the wall and toss it right up there on our shared workspace so we can all take a look.
And if I want Amanda to check out something, I can just pull it off the wall and toss it to her. What do you think of that one, Amanda?
Wow, that looks great.
And just to recap what happened here, I grabbed a holographic image on the wall as a real person in this room and threw it to an avatar who could be anywhere in the world.
Wow, this is awesome.
Now, with the new hand tracking capabilities in the Mixed Reality Toolkit, I can also have this cool new hand dock. So I'll just pull it up, and it lets me pull up content from a variety of locations, like my OneDrive. I'm just going to scroll the 3D models that are stored on it and select Sky Justice. There we go. And let's make this life size and zoom this up a little bigger. And you know, Amanda, I'm thinking, why don't we show off the new freehand annotation capabilities and give her some accessories?
Absolutely. I think she really could use a bracelet. And of course, the finishing touch, a HoloLens. Everyone needs a HoloLens.
Awesome. Oh, hey, Lynn. It looks like Lynn just joined.
Hey everyone, I love this. Joining from my PC, I'm still able to participate in the experience, even without a HoloLens. So are you ready to see what I've been working on?
Yeah, let's check it out.
Since I've joined from my laptop via the Spatial tab in Teams you saw earlier, I can easily browse and upload content directly from my PC and upload it to the meeting. Check out this 3D model of a hoverpack.
Neat. This is cool. You know, Amanda, since this is mixed reality, why don't you jump in and give it a spin?
Of course, let's try it out. Wow, it's even cooler on the inside.
Now, Spatial's a hardware-agnostic platform. You don't need just a headset to join the experience. Let me invite Jacob onto the stage now. He's going to show you how you can join from the device in your pocket.
Oh, this is so dope. I love it. Great work, Lynn. With Azure Spatial Anchors, this mixed reality experience shares a map across HoloLens and ARKit and ARCore. This means that I could have the most immersive experience on a HoloLens, or I can use this Android